So today we are going to understand logical operator, right? Logical operator in SQL. So SQL consists of logical operators. Logical operator. So in this logical operator, we are going to have two types of clause. One is called as these operators. So what is the logical operator? So these operators are used to specify multiple conditions in the where statement, where clause, right? So one is called as a and operator. So this one helps to understand display display output if all conditions are true, right? So if one of the condition, if any one condition was failed, so then it will not display output. Okay, so two types of condition, and or. So or operator and operator. In this one, so output display output if any one condition is true. If all condition are false, then it will not display output. Right. So example, the syntax. How the syntax? The syntax which we are going to use is select column 1, comma column 2, comma column 3, so on. Okay, from table 1. So table 1 where condition. So we are going to display one condition 1. Okay, we are given one condition. Then after that we can use here and or operator. So if you are trying to pass multiple conditions, then we are going to use and or odd. And then after that again condition, second condition 2. So and then so on. Again same thing, and or operator. And or operator, and then we'll pass another condition 3. So on we can pass this condition. Then after display, if we are required, when we can use order by clause, ordered by the column 1, comma column 2, so on. This is how we are going to write that condition. So how we are going to write in the SQL query? So see here, please observe here. Select star from employee table, right? In this employee table, okay, in this employee table, select star from employee table. This is a condition. This is what the column. So same thing what we have written, select star from employee. So star means all. Here what happens? Star displays. Star means all the columns in a table, right? After this one, select star from EMP table. After where condition, where, then we are going to give us a condition. What are the condition here? Condition 1 and or operator, condition 2 and or operator, condition 3. So here I am going to give the condition is, so where the job, okay, job is equal to, job is one condition. What is the one condition? So job is equal to, only display the manager's name, manager, okay, and then on top of that, this is one condition. Example, this is one condition. Okay, this is one condition, right? So inside this one, I want to, so there are, we are going to see 4 columns. So on top of this condition, again I want to know another condition is and department number column. Department number column is there, right? Department number column is equal to 10, right? So then only display. So if the condition satisfied both values, then only the data displays here. Now what happened? So it is going to filter the data and going to show the manager and another condition. If we are going to use multiple things, then we are going to use the in operator. But if you are going to search for different columns with a different condition, filter condition to get the data, this is how you are going to find the data. This is called AND operator. AND operator is what? After this condition falls, with this data, the next one it is going to filter with this data. So if you are going to put instead of AND, we are going to put OR. Then what exactly happen? You are going to get all the conditions. So it is going to put whatever all the possible conditions. So it is going to display the manager position and then with the department number 10 position. So 2 possible combination you are going to get the data. So total 9 records. If you are going to put AND record, and it is going to pass only 2 records. Okay, so this is what it is called as the AND or operator. Right. So like that we can try to use the other commands as well. Like that we can use the another commands. Okay. So examples here. Another example. So let's start from tab. If you see the table, so select start from department table. Department table. So when you see this department table, okay, so if you want to know, okay, there is no unique record. So let me see another table. Employee table. Okay, employee table. So just try to see the employee table. So when you try to see the employee table, right? So if you want to filter the data, so now I want to know the data is, so where display the data, where condition, so manager ID, manager underscore ID is equal to 501. Okay, try to get the data. So it is going to get, and then you want to give another condition and the salary and employee name, e name is equal to single quote because we are a variable character. So then John. So like that, if you want to find this condition, this is how you are going to get the data. Okay, and operator and condition. Or if you are going to put or operator, then different data. So 2 possible combinations. So 501 manager ID and then the other combination John. So this is how it is going to get the data. So and operator and or operator. These are called as a logical operator in SQL. Logical operator. What we call as a SQL logical operator. Right. So next one we are going to understand DML commands. DML commands. SQL DML commands. So in this commands, so it is going to have update command. So what are the DML commands? Update command, delete command, okay, delete command and insert command. We have these are things which we are going to understand now. Okay, how to update the command, how if you so we have seen that in the we have insert, update, delete command basically. So inserted we have already learned, right? Inserted, update and delete command. Basically in the DML operation, these are the things which we are going to understand. So now we will try to see how we are going to use that. So if you see the insert, we are know how to insert the data. The syntax for inserting statement, insert statement syntax followed by here. So insert into table name, then values of the column values. Okay, value 1, comma value 2, comma value 3, so on. So this is how we are going to use the condition to insert the data, right? Next one, now if you want to update any data, example there is some data is there. So how to update the data? So in the DML, what is the update meaning? What is the update meaning? We are going to see now. SQL DML statement update. So what is this update stands for? So it is used to update old record, old values with new values within the table by default. By default, it updates all values in a column. Okay, so we can also update values by verifying conditions. Okay, so syntax: update single column, updating the single, two times we can do that. Updating a single column, updating single column values value. Okay, so we can update single column value, or we can update the complete column values in a single shot. So how to do multiple columns? So syntax to update single value. So here what is the syntax? Update. Okay, then update the table name, and after that set. Okay, set the column. What is the column name? What you want to change? What is the new value or expression or select statement? You can do whatever, select query also we can write it. Then with where condition, where on which existing column, where the condition. So this is how it is going to update for single column value. Okay, so note that if we do not, so one very important note is, if without condition update command changes all the values in the column. So if we do not put the condition, automatically it is going to update for all the records in that particular column. So example, if you want to do that, I want to type something, select okay, so this is a table. So I'm going to write create table emp underscore temp as. Okay, so I have created already is created. Okay, so let me see that what is the table. Select star from emp underscore temp. Okay, so yeah, I already have the table. Okay, so I'm going to use this table and we are going to modify that. So this is a table, right? This is the table. So what I'm going to update is, what I want to see is, so people who are working as a manager. Okay, do I see a manager? Okay, I see a salesman, right? Salesman. So salesman, all the salesmen are promoted to as a manager. I want to change. So total, if you see here, how many now? Select star from employee table temp. Okay, where job is equal to salesman. So how many records are there? If you try to search, so there are four records are there. Okay, 4 records are there in this table. In this table we have 4 records. 4 salesmen are there. Okay, so I want to update this salesman. So what I'm going to do is, so there is small update happened. The salesmen, all the salesmen got promoted. Okay, salesmen got promoted promoted as a manager, example manager. So I want to update the data. So how I'm going to do, update this particular only the salesman condition. Okay, only 4 records I want to update. So in that case I'm going to write update. What is the command we use here? Update table name. Just this is the condition, update table name. What is the table name here? emp underscore temp, table name. Then after that, what is the condition, sir? Set condition. Okay, set means set. What is the column name? Job is equal to what you want to display. I want to display as a, I want to change this one as a manager. Then where, which one? If you do not do, all the job will be become a manager. If we do not provide a condition, then where job condition, where job is equal to salesman. Okay, so whenever there is a salesman, it is going to update as this manager. Okay, if you see here, this is a condition. So now if I try to see here what exactly happened, so it is going to update 4 records. If you see here, please, 4 rows got updated. 4 rows got updated. So when I try to query here, what happened? So I don't see any salesman in this position. I don't see any salesman in this position. All salesmen got promoted as a manager. So this is how you can update a single column value. Okay, so we also can do, there is another way we can update the multiple column values also. Updating multiple column values. Okay, multiple column values. So here in this one, syntax, same thing here. What is that? Update space table name, then set command, set column name is equal to condition. So column 1 value or expression. Okay, so or same thing, like this is a column 1 value. So column 2 name, so is equal to same condition, same like values, same thing. So like that you can change n number of things. Column 3 underscore name is equal to value. So like that you can change n number of things with where condition. When where condition, right? Where with where condition, where, and then give us a condition. Okay, if by this what happened, we can change different column 1, column 2, column 3 values also we can update it, a number of things like that we can update according to that. Okay, so this is how we are going to see that. So examples here, if you want to update different condition. Okay, so same thing, example with multiple things. So in this case I want to use here select star from employee TM. So this is one table. Okay, so here I want to update is like so I want to update all the values. So what is here condition is, so updating all the commission column with 1,000 rupees bonus. Everyone should get 1,000 rupees bonus. 1,000 rupees as a commission. So how we are going to do? Update table name. What is the table name? Employee underscore temp. Then after that, set what you want to do, commission column is equal to 1000, and then if I am not giving where condition, what exactly happened, it is going to update the complete data with the for complete column. So see here, please observe here what happened, all the 14 records, 14 rows got updated. When you see the table, it is going to perform in this manner. It is going to update it all the record with 1000. So this is how, if you want to update some certain things are there. So example where, okay, so if I want to update here, so multiple updates, update employee table name set, okay, column, what is the column, job is equal to president, okay, job is equal to president, job is equal to, I want to make a president as a CEO, okay, so I want to condition here, so CEO, where what is where his condition should be, this is another condition, example, so is employee number is equal to 7839. Okay, so this is one condition. So when I am trying to execute this, what happened, so the position will become CEO, president will become CEO, the president will become CEO. So this is how we are going to change the condition. These are the two values it is having. So that is the reason it is going to show the data. So the president it become CEO. So you are going to change the multiple values conditions. Okay, this is how you are going to change the condition. Then next one is something called as a delete statement. Okay, in this one what we have, insert we have understood. This is the insert syntax. This is the insert syntax. Next we have something called update syntax. In the update we have single row update or multiple columns update. Okay, multiple columns update, right? Next one we have something called delete statement. Delete statement. Right, delete statement. So what is this delete statement? Delete statement. So this command is used to delete the record from the table, the table, okay, by default it delete all the records and we can, and if required we can also delete the records conditionally also we can delete. So syntax to delete that. So how to that, delete from, okay, delete from the table name, and then where condition we have to specify, okay. So if we are specifying, then only it is going to delete limited record. If we want to delete the complete table, if we want to delete, complete table, complete data from a table, then the below is the syntax, delete from table name, okay, just a table name. So once we specify the table name, it is going to delete all the condition. So please go to the SQL developer, okay. So if I am going to take this as an example, delete, okay, from table name, what is the table name here, emp underscore temp, then where condition, what is the condition I want to give? Any condition we can specify. Example, we can specify the condition I want to delete where department number is equal to 20. Okay, so only the 20 number department means, so these are the record. How many record? Department 20. Okay, so yeah, so these four records will be deleted. Here what happened, we have 10, 20 and 30. So 20 record I want to delete these four records. So when I execute this, what happened, it is going to delete the four records. So see here, please delete four records. What happened, four records got deleted. Four records got deleted. So when I try to write the SQL query, when I see the query, select star from the employee underscore temp table. So when I try to see, I will not be able to see I will be not able to see this particular table. Department number. Do we have the department 20? No. Okay. So but there is one more advantage is when we are trying to use the delete statement, we can roll back. Okay. Roll back emp temp. So whatever the deleted can be bring back. So only the delete statement. The delete statement will help to bring back the data. The delete statement will help to bring back the data. So that is one check. Okay. If I'm not specifying any condition, so delete from the table name. Okay, and then I'm not giving any where condition, automatically what happened, all the data will be deleted in this table. If I execute this, all the data will be deleted. Please observe here what happened, total 14 rows deleted. So when I try to see the data, do we have the data now? Table is there but there is no data because all the data will be deleted. All the data will be deleted. So this is how we are going to perform the DML operation. DML operation. So it is going to delete all the data, right? This is going to delete all the data, right? So next example, if we want to create any table, okay? So we have already worked on the DDL statement, but just to refresh that, so DDL statement, what are the things we are going to want? So just to refresh, DDL stands for data definition language. Okay, in this one, create, alter, drop, truncate, rename table. So these are the things which we have. So create table, we have seen that how to create that. Okay, inside the alter, what is meaning of alter means, so this command, okay, this command is used to change the structure of the table by adding or deleting or using. So example, by adding new column in the table, okay, or you want to deleting the existing column, deleting the existing column, okay, or you want to change the data type, changing the data type and size with increasing or decreasing of columns. Okay, so next one here, rename a column with new name. We want to change the column name. So these are the things which we can already existed the table. If you want to perform any other operation, these are the things which we can use by the alter statement and we can perform that operations. So that is the use of alter statement. Okay. So examples here, the size. So if I want to see here, so what is the syntax for adding a column or deleting a column? So please observe here. Here. So adding a column, adding new column, syntax. Syntax here, what is the thing? Alter table. Okay, and what is the table name? Alter table and one table. What is the table name? So emp underscore temp. Okay, and then you have to, what you want to add open braces, and what is the column name? So I want to put some tags, a new column, and then specific data types, variable character 2 of 10, comma, you want to add 2 3 columns, then you have to add accordingly. So this is how your tags, and then HRA column, where char 2 of 10. So this is how you are going to add the column, a new column inside an existing table. Okay, example C here. Okay, so we have these are the columns are available. So column, what are the column? Employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number, and tax. So I want to add a new column. What is the new column I want to add? HRA or finance. Two columns I want to add. So now I'm going to add alter statement, alter table. Okay, table. What is the table name? EMP underscore TEMP table. And what I want to do? I want to add a column. So you just can type add button, open braces. What is the column you want to add? Finance table, finance column. So that data type is variable character, varchar 2 of 20. Okay, comma, and I want to add another column, HRA, varchar 2 of 10 something. Then close that and then close it. So if I execute, what happened? Two columns are added. See what happened? Table is altered with modification. So if you see the if you see the table, what exactly happened? The two new columns, we can see the table. So if you see the table, see here. So finance a new column and HR a new column also added. Okay, because we don't have any input, we just created. So that this values does not have any kind of transaction. That is the meaning. This null values. Okay, if I want to delete a column, if I want to delete a column inside the table, then we are going to use this. This is a statement. Okay, deleting the existing column. Okay, so what is the syntax? So here the syntax is alter table, and the table name. What is the table name? EMP underscore TEMP table name. What you want to do? Delete, right? For the delete, we have to use the drop, DROP, drop. What we want to drop? Column we want to drop. Column, and the what is the column name? Right, we want to drop like that column name, we can specify the specific column names. So this is how we are going to drop that. So example, go to this one, same thing. I want to now drop this tag, these three columns. Okay, so now see here, alter table name. Okay, drop what you want to drop. See here, what you want to drop? Column, right? Column, you have to type column and then column name. What is the column name? Tax. So now execute. What happened? See here. So table got altered. If you see that tax column is removed from the table, please see here. Do we have the tax column now? We don't have the tax column, only finance and HR. So if you want to put the finance, see here. What happened? Oh. Okay, finance is removed, and then HRA. I want to put HRA. Okay, if you see the SQL query now, I don't see these three columns are been deleted. Earlier three columns got deleted. This is how we are going to add a new column, delete a column from the existing table. Okay, alter table, using the alter statement we can delete the column or add a new column or change the data type or change the name of the column. Change the name of the column also we can do that. So same thing, same to change the name of the column. Example, I want to make this as a SAL is there, right? So I want to rename the column. Okay, so rename the column name sal to salary. Okay, so now alter table emp underscore temp. Then what we want to do, rename. Okay, rename column dot. What is the salary? So old name sal column to salary. When I execute, what exactly happens here? So now we can see the data. So now the salary column will become the salary. If you see here, salary column. Earlier it was sal column. So I want to name COM. So if you can see the column name called COMM. So I want to change the name to COM to commission. So COM. Commission. COMM to commission. Commission column. So it is going to update to commission. So if you can see your data, this is how it is going to. So what happened? The commission, the column is updated to this condition. Commission column. So this is how we are going to update the command, roll back the command, and do the other modification setup. Okay, right. So today class for this today is enough. So tomorrow I'm going to send. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to continue the other slide.